How to delete Google Lens photos. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can delete or remove images from Google Lens. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. For that, launch your Google application in a mobile device. So from here, tap on your profile icon at the top right. Once you get to this menu, please tap on Google account. So under your account name, there you'll have an option as data and privacy. Tap on it. Here scroll all the way down or scroll down, and here is an option as Weave in-app activity. Under history settings, tap on it. So under this page, scroll down a bit, and there under see and delete activity, there is an icon for Google Lens. Tap on it. That will take you to the Google Lens activity. Here scroll down a bit and select your preferred image that you want to delete. And next to that image, there is an option as cross. Tap on it. And with that image is deleted. If you want to delete all images at once, tap on this delete button from your right hand side, and here you have to select the date range. Tap on delete, and with that the images are now deleted. So that's how you can delete Google Lens photos, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.